In this video, I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT on WhatsApp. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, let's say you're on WhatsApp and you don't want to constantly go to ChatGPT. Whenever you have a question, you can actually just talk to ChatGPT through the WhatsApp application. So all you want to do is firstly locate the WhatsApp app, then just open it up, then just press the plus icon and go to your contacts list. And then where it says new contact, you just want to go ahead and press that. It's the second option. Then you can just, name it ChatGPT or whatever. And then from here, for the phone, for the region, you want to put it to United States. So it's the +1. Then the number you want to put in is 800-242-8478. Then once you do that, all you want to do, it says this phone number is on WhatsApp, then just click done. And then as you can see, it's a ChatGPT right there. It says ChatGPT was added to your contacts. Then you can press message. Then you can just, ask it anything you want, like help me with a home repair, get advice on a difficult conversation, or what can ChatGPT do. Those are just the suggested ones, but you can really just type in anything you want and ChatGPT is going to be able to help you. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.